Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on using reduced questions in GradeBook. Let's get started. So we have a sample gradebook already set up with some sample students. So let's look at sample evaluation number 1. This student received a 60 out of 100, but in this case you reduced the questions out of 80. So this is how we enter it. Use a square bracket, 80, close the bracket. Notice the percentage is 60%, but when we click enter, their average now is increased to 75 and their overall average changes as well. What that means is student 1 and student 3, their total marks are 100, but for sample student 2, the accommodation of reduced questions has been applied and their mark is out of 80. If you would like, you can add a little note saying they were reduced questions. You can add notes for any student that you want as well. And everything will be reflected in reports. So when we generate reports, we'll see that the accommodated marks will be in the report. So let's create our student report, which will create a Google Doc summary of all the students' grades, their evaluations, and their overall grade. So this is complete. So let's take a look. So for the first student, our note is there, great job. Notice it's out of 100. But when we go to our second student, notice it's out of 80. And their percent and everything is calculated correctly, and our note is there. So that's a quick demo on how to use the accommodation of reduced questions in GradeBook. Thank you.